Before buying an ultrasonic cleaner, it is important to consider the size of the cleaner, the material of the tank, the power, the heating function, the type of cleaning solution, the warranty and customer service, and the price. Make sure to choose a cleaner that can accommodate the items you need to clean, is made of durable material, has adequate power, has a heating function if desired, uses a compatible cleaning solution, comes with a warranty, and fits your budget. There are many products available to choose ultrasonic cleaners, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, checked reviews, and compiled a list of the best ultrasonic cleaners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Deep clean in minutes with 42,000 Hz of ultrasonic sound waves. The Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Restore your valuables to their former glory. Looking for an effective and easy way to clean your jewelry, eyeglasses, watches, utensils, and other valuables? Look no further than the Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. This powerful cleaning device uses only tap water to generate 42,000 Hz of ultrasonic sound waves, which gently remove dirt and grime, without damaging your precious items. With a digital display and 5 preset cleaning cycles, 90, 180, 280, 380 and 480 seconds, you can easily control the intensity of the cleaning process and achieve professional results in minutes. The generous 20 ounces, 600 ml capacity of the stainless steel chamber allows you to fit a wide variety of items for cleaning, and the included basket keeps your delicate items secure. The cleaner also features an automatic shut-off function for added convenience. The Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner is extremely easy to operate and comes with a cleaning basket, instruction manual, and lifetime customer support. With its all-in FCC certifications, you can trust that this cleaner is safe and reliable. Revive your valuables and make them sparkle like new again with the Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Order yours today. Number 2. UKOKE 3800's Professional Jewelry Timer Ultrasonic Cleaner 0.6L Portable Household Cleaning Machine for eyeglasses, dentures and more. The UKOKE 3800's ultrasonic cleaner provides supreme cleaning performance for all of your jewelry and eyeglasses. With a touch control panel and a durable stainless steel chamber, this cleaner is easy to operate and built to last. The Degas mode ensures maximum ultrasonic cleaning performance, removing entrapped air or dissolved gases from water for a more efficient clean. The 42,000 Hz of ultrasonic energy waves gently lift dirt and grime away, giving you a deep and thorough clean, without the use of harsh chemicals or scrubbing. The touch control panel makes operation a breeze, with a digital countdown timer and automatic shut-off feature. The interior dimensions of the chamber are 5.4 liters x 3.6 watts x 2.1 H, with a capacity of 20 ounces, 600 ml. Headquartered in Southern California, UKOKE is a complete automation system with intuitive control suitable for residential homes, commercial premises, and other purposes. We leverage our expert knowledge, unique talent and advanced technology to design and develop state-of-the-art home appliances that help people do their daily routine tasks more efficiently and easily. Please review the warranty carefully and contact the manufacturer if you have any questions. The product dimensions are 8.3 x 5.5 x 5.7 inches, and the item weight is 2 pounds. Get professional cleaning results in the comfort of your own home with the UKOKE 3800's ultrasonic cleaner. Number 3. GT Sonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner 20 ounces with 5 digital timer, watch holder, cleaning basket, sus tank for cleaning eyeglasses, rings, watches, dentures. Introducing the Sonic F543KHC Home Use Ultrasonic Cleaner, a powerful and easy to use cleaning solution for all your valuables. This ultrasonic cleaner is perfect for cleaning jewelry, eyeglasses, watches, dentures and more. With a 20 ounces, 600 milliliters capacity, this ultrasonic cleaner can handle multiple items at once, saving you time and effort. It also comes with a cleaning basket and watch holder to keep your items secure while cleaning. The Sonic F5 features a touchscreen display with 5 preset cleaning time cycles, 90s, 180s, 280s, 380s, and 480s, to suit different levels of contamination. The machine will automatically shut off when the cleaning cycle is complete, making it easy and safe to use. The Sonic F5 also boasts a noise-free mode of operation and an anti-overflow design tank for safe use. With a powerful 43,000 Hz ultrasonic sound waves and 35W ultrasonic transducers, this cleaner will easily remove stains from hard-to-reach spots, without damaging your valuables. Ultrasonic cleaning works by using high-frequency pressure waves, sound, to agitate the water in the tank, and create a process called cavitation. This process creates tiny pressure waves that penetrate blind holes, cracks and recesses, thoroughly cleaning your items without scratching or damaging them. So, if you want to restore your jewelry, watches, eyeglasses, and other objects that can be cleaned like new, Sonic F543 KHC Home Use Ultrasonic Cleaner is the perfect solution for you. Number 4. VEVOR Ultrasonic Cleaner. 2L digital cleaner with timer for jewelry, watches, and small parts. Are you tired of struggling to clean your jewelry, eyeglasses, watches, and small parts? Look no further than the VEVOR Ultrasonic Cleaner. With a powerful cleaning frequency of 40 kHz and an ultrasonic power of 60 W, this cleaner effectively removes dirt and grime, without causing any damage to your valuables. Featuring advanced transducer technology and a digital control panel for precise time control, this cleaner can hold up to 2L of cleaning solution in its 3304 stainless steel tank. Its compact size and versatile uses make it perfect for both personal and professional use. Save time and effort with the VEVOR Ultrasonic Cleaner. And for our viewers, use our link to purchase it on Amazon and get great deals. Trust in the premium quality and low prices offered by VEVOR, a leading brand in equipment and tools. With fast and secure delivery, 30-day free returns, and 24/7 customer service, you can't go wrong with this ultrasonic cleaner. Don't wait, order yours today. Regenerate response. Number 5. CREWORKS Ultrasonic Cleaner. Professional tool, watch, glasses, retainer, denture cleaning with heater and timer 2L stainless steel tank. The CREWORKS Ultrasonic Cleaner with heater timer is a powerful and versatile cleaning solution for professionals and home users alike. With a 60W2L stainless steel tank and a digital control panel, this cleaner uses ultrasonic cavitation to deeply clean even small and intricate surfaces, without the use of harmful chemicals. The cleaner features a temperature range of 68 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit and a timer range of 1 to 30 minutes, allowing you to customize the cleaning process to suit your specific needs. It's ideal for cleaning a wide variety of items, including jewelry, watches, glasses, retainers, denture parts, and more. The ultrasonic cleaner is built to last, with a durable 304 stainless steel inner basket and tank that can withstand years of continual use. It also features non-skid rubber feet for added stability during use, and 2 built-in fuses to protect against power surges. CREWORKS is a company that is committed to creating high-quality, affordable products that make a real difference in people's lives. They believe that inspiring new inventions are hidden throughout our everyday lives, and are always looking for unique innovations to improve their products. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile cleaning solution for your home or business, the CREWORKS Ultrasonic Cleaner with heater timer is an excellent choice. With its advanced features and durable construction, it's sure to provide you with years of dependable, professional-grade cleaning performance. Don't wait, get your CREWORKS Ultrasonic Cleaner with heater timer today, and start enjoying a cleaner and safer home or workspace. And if you have any questions, the CREWORKS team is available 24/7 to help you. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more helpful information or if you want to know the product price, do check out the description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life very much easier.